It is time for the main event.
Hello, everybody. Today we are going to work on how to create a custom field for your database inside of Keller Williams Command. So when you've logged on and you're on the home screen, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click the little drop down right next to your name, and then we're going to go to Settings. And once we go to Settings, the top left option is going to say Command Settings. Next, we're going to go into Contacts, and then we're going to go to Custom Fields. Now, this gives us the opportunity to really customize our database however we would like. So what I want you to do is on the top right, click Create New Custom Field. And think about anything that might be important to you. So let's say you work with equestrian clients. Maybe you want to decipher the different kinds of clients that you have in your database. Maybe you have a list of different vendors and you want to be able to ask them which one they are. So our custom field name is going to be what vendor. And if we go to custom field type, we can select a bunch of different things. We can create a text field, a text area, a drop-down menu, a date, a checkbox, a number, a URL, even throw in a percentage or a currency. For the purpose of this, I'm going to use a drop-down, and we're going to add a bunch of different options here. So maybe we have a kitchen counter vendor. So we're going to put that in there. Then maybe we have a flooring person. So we're going to put that in there. Then let's say we have a tile person. So we're going to put that in there. And then maybe a painter. So I'm going to put that in there. Let's say these are 4 of our custom fields. Now, when we hit create for this, what's really cool is that this is going to actually create this custom field, which we can now add into our database. So if you go into contacts and you decide that you want to add this field or add a new contact, what you're going to do is you're going to hit add contact. Type in that person's name, and then scroll all the way to the bottom, hit add more information, and go to custom fields. And when you go to custom fields, you can add one of the ones that you've made. So now we can go in and we can look through this list of all the different ones that we've made and be able to find which one is going to make the most sense to us. So ours we called vendor. So we're going to say what vendor, and then when we create that contact, we can put them in as, let's say they are a tile gal or guy. We can hit create. And now when we actually go in here and we find Joe Smith number 3, we'll be able to look at this and see that he has a custom field added to his contact. What kind of vendor? He's a tile vendor. So I hope this helps you really customize your database. This is an amazing feature that we have. It's very lightly used inside of Command, and I think it's really valuable. So really interested to hear what kind of custom fields you guys come up with. I'd love if you drop some in the comments, and make sure you like and subscribe to our channel if you like seeing new Keller Williams Command videos every single day. So I hope you have a great day. Can't wait to talk to you soon. Have a good one.